In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up audio in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic touch to your presentations, create engaging social media content, or simply want to enhance the viewing experience with sped-up audio, Canva has got you covered with its intuitive design tools. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have one, creating an account is easy, and the platform offers a free version that is quite robust. Once inside, head over to the Canva homepage and click on the Create a Design button located at the top right. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu from which you can select the appropriate canvas size for your specific project. You might choose something like a presentation, Instagram post, or video, depending on what you're working on. With your design page open, look over to the left sidebar. There, you'll find the Uploads tab. This is your go-to for both audio and video files. Click on it to start adding media. If you have audio files stored on your device, simply drag and drop them into Canva. Alternatively, click the Upload Media button, which will let you browse for files on your computer or any connected cloud storage. Once your audio is uploaded, drag it onto the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Now, this is where the magic happens. Double-click on the audio track to bring up the editing options. You'll see a slider to adjust the speed of the audio track. Move the slider to the right to accelerate the speed. Make sure to play the audio back to hear how it sounds. You might want to experiment a bit, tweaking until you achieve the perfect pacing that complements your visual content. While you're adjusting the audio, pay close attention to how the rhythm matches with your project's visuals. A cohesive alignment between sound and video ensures content that's captivating and easy to follow. Remember, faster audio can sometimes make the sound pitchier. If you're not entirely satisfied with the sound, you have the option to layer music within Canva's audio library to balance or smooth out any rough edges. Look under the Elements tab for diverse audio options to enrich your project. Once you're satisfied with the adjusted audio speed, it's time to hit the play button to preview the entire scene. Ensure everything lines up seamlessly. This step is crucial in making sure that the sped-up audio functions well with your overall design. When you're happy with the final product, click the Download button at the top corner of the screen. Choose your preferred file type, making sure it supports both audio and video if your project includes them. And voila! You've successfully sped up audio in Canva to make your content all the more engaging. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing!